Super excited to show you our brand new listing in the terraces of Tuxedo. This beautiful condo is perfectly located, close to all amenities, close to downtown. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's head on inside. At 1,160 square feet, this condo is spacious. You've got this amazing vaulted ceiling. Over here, you got a freshly renovated kitchen. It's got quartz countertops, timeless white cabinetry. You've got 1 bedroom up at the front with the main bath over there. And then you've got the primary bedroom with an ensuite that's separated by this living space. Has ensuite laundry. It's got this beautiful balcony. This is definitely one that you need to see in person.